closed up homes this winter, resulting in unhealthy air quality. Dirty air is the #1 cause of respiratory and allergy, and has been linked to health problems such as asthma and bronchitis. Air sanitizers are expensive, and they are only a temporary solution. Whole House Fan Company will install a high-quality, whole house fan in your home. This revolutionary whole house fan is designed to replace the air in your home, to bring fresh, clean air from outside, quietly replacing the polluted air in just minutes. This means cleaner air and a cleaner home at a lower cost. In a time where your family is spending more indoors, it is important to remove poor quality indoor air which can plague your home. It's the jolliest season of the year. Don't let stale, stuffy air ruin your celebration this holiday season. Get your most advanced whole house fan today and enjoy clean fresh air all year long. To make your Christmas merrier, we will give you an additional $300 off on installation. Bigger savings are waiting for you. Visit Whole House Fan Company, socal.com/sc now to learn more.